Italy is claiming progress in fighting the coronavirus. Authorities reported nearly 3,600 new cases yesterday, the smallest day-to-day increase in almost 3 weeks. Italy has more than 132,000 official cases, the third most of any country. The reported death toll of more than 16,000 seems to be an underestimate. CBS News foreign correspondent Chris Livesay visited a town in northern Italy that has paid a terrible price.
Good morning. Throughout this pandemic in Italy, nursing homes have been particularly hard hit, but perhaps none more so than here at the Casa di Riposo of Nembro. They gave us an exclusive look inside. Victim after victim, 33 at this nursing home. Agnese Magoni, a housekeeper who loved walks in the garden. Giulio Bonomi, a carpenter and bookworm. These are the empty beds that used to belong to patients who died of COVID-19, doctors say. But the unnerving thing is that they weren't tested before they died, so they don't appear in the official number of COVID-19 deaths in Italy. The virus struck so hard and so fast, they never made it to a hospital. And it's only those who die in hospitals that are counted in the national tally. Even authorities acknowledge the actual death toll may be much higher. You called it a tsunami.
Tsunami.
A tsunami that killed 3 residents per day at its peak, says Dr. Barbara Codali, and could still strike the 52 surviving residents. But have they been tested? No, and neither have we, she tells me. I might have COVID too. 2 coworkers have died and many others are homesick. And it's at home where untold victims also die, untested and uncounted, like Alessandro Boromelli. Police are quick to collect his oxygen tanks, now in short supply. This disease is wiping out the generation that built everything around us, says his son. Were you or your father or anyone at your home tested for COVID-19? Voi avete fatto il tampone per sicurezza?
No.
Underreporting the number of dead is common even in Nembro, a town which already has the highest per capita death rate in the country. We spoke to the mayor, who crunched the numbers. So what's the death toll? According to our analysis, it's 4 times higher. Most deaths simply aren't counted, he says. But the families and friends left behind believe every life matters and needs to be remembered. It's also important to remember that underreporting deaths isn't limited to this town. Mayors across the country are sounding the alarm, warning COVID-19 is even deadlier than we think. For CBS This Morning, Chris Livesay, Nembro, Italy.